This location shoot is going to put the new Broncolor lithium-powered Stellos light to the test. I'm planning several shoots at this location in bright midday sunlight, but exposing the dark shadow areas with just one Stellos light in a Para 88 modifier. My goal is to see how powerful and consistent the light is under these conditions, but also to discover if the new battery can last the distance and if the weight of the Stellos is manageable on tall stands in a breeze.
The first thing I need to understand is where I'm going to put you on those rocks. And when I've figured out where we can find a space for each of you, then I'm going to figure out where I'm going to shoot from, and then we're going to figure out how to light it. If we get them lit, then we can graze this light with rocks, lighting on the two of them. Okay, so what's happening right now is we've used the Para 88 on the models, and we're doing this all with one light. So the camera's in a fixed position. It's a wide angle shot, so I'm getting that whole rock in. And now I'm underexposing the scene massively, almost like 4 stops. And then the flash is powering in on them, but I want to bring out some texture of this rock in key places in the shadow areas. Ready? Good, hold it there. Well done, Joe. Right, that's superb. Right, so you saw the technique, which Joe was firing a number of small bursts of flash with the L40 reflector with a medium grid at specific parts of the rock that are in shade. Because remember, the rock isn't going to look like it looks to us. It's pretty much black, except for the pockets of light hitting it, and the sky is a really dark, deep blue because I'm underexposing the shot. And then the models were exposed perfectly with the Para 88, with the Stellos light. And obviously we're working on location, which is fantastic because it means we can use the lithium powered light, which allows us to come outdoors and shoot amazing shots that you otherwise couldn't do with just an electric light. So these guys did a good job. They had to hold their pose for quite a while. It's not that comfortable. And then we got beautiful lighting on them with the Para 88. Now, we've essentially made a shot that has used like almost 8 lights, 8 different placements of light, but we've combined each shot as a separate shot, but we'll be able to layer those up quite easily in light and blend mode as well, and then have each highlight layer of those rocks plus the models in the one shot. A lot more economical than setting up 8 lights on location. As long as your camera is fixed and locked down, no problem at all. That's quite cool, the two of you there. We probably just need one Para 88 flash in here. The concept is pretty good, but we need more. Maybe I can turn it up from here. Yes, alrighty.
For this shot, it was necessary to underexpose the ambient light significantly with my shutter speed and aperture choice in order to reveal the sun. Fortunately, I was able to rely on the significant power of the Stellos in combination with the Para 88, providing me enough light to illuminate both models in one simple but evocative shot.
Alright, okay guys, look at me. Gonna focus and shoot. No smiles, just nice and moody, looking at me. Lovely backlightings, looking gorgeous.
We'd already been shooting for over 2 hours, but I decided there was time for just one more set. Fortunately, the large capacity battery of the Stellos provided me with plenty more flashes. In fact, we were able to return to the studio with the battery still half full.
Okay, that'll do. Let's get out of here.